Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ghor Publishers. Our slogan is that we are redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. I am Manur Ahmed and I will be teaching you computer science for grade 8. Dear students, हम अपने यूनिट नंबर 2 डेटा कम्युनिकेशन एंड कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स की एक्सरसाइज को कवर करेंगे। जैसा कि हम सारी एक्सरसाइज बेस्ड वीडियो में करते हैं कि उसमें आपकी अटेंशन और इंटरेक्शन रिक्वायर्ड होती है। जो भी मैं क्वेश्चंस बोलूंगी आप उसके आंसर्स नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं एंड देन जब मैं आंसर्स बोलूंगी तो आप अपने आंसर्स को मेरे साथ मैच कर सकते हैं। इस तरह आपके यूनिट से रिलेटेड सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स एक दफा रिवाइज हो जाएंगे। So हमारी एक्सरसाइज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स है ट्रू फॉल्स एंड द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ अनशील्डेड ट्विस्टेड पेयर इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट। दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स। Second statement is Bluetooth technology allows devices to communicate with each other with cables. This is also false. Third statement is an unguided transmission propagates the electromagnetic waves without using any physical medium. This is true. Fourth statement is the optical fiber consists of a narrow strand of glass or plastic known as a core. This is also true. Fifth statement is an unshielded twisted pair cannot be used in telecommunication. This statement is false. Sixth statement is physical media is also called guided media. This is true. Seventh statement is twisted pair cables are bounded media. This is also true. Eighth statement is category 3 of UTP cables support up to 20 MBs. This is false. Ninth statement is category 4 of UTP cables support up to 200 MBs. This is also false. And the last statement is coaxial cable has low capacity as compared to twisted pair cable. This statement is also false. So students, अब हमारी एक्सरसाइज का सेकंड क्वेश्चन है fill in the blanks. तो अब हम fill in the blanks स्टार्ट करते हैं. First fill in the blank is twisted pair is a physical media made up of a pair of cables dash with each other. And इस blank में आएगा twisted. Second statement is dash is an example of twisted pair cable. And the answer is telephone line. Third statement is a defined physical path on which data can travel is called dash. And the answer is medium. Fourth statement is category 3 of UTP supports up to dash MBs. And इस blank में आएगा 10 MBs. Fifth statement is category 4 of UTP supports up to dash MBs. And the answer is 20. Sixth statement is category 5 of UTP supports up to dash MBs. And इस blank में आएगा 100 MBs. Seventh statement is fiber optic cable is a cable that uses dash signals for communication. And इसका आंसर है light wave. Eighth statement is GPS, that is global positioning system, is a satellite based dash system. And इस blank में आएगा communication system. Ninth statement is data analytics is the science of dash raw data to make assumptions about that information. And इसका आंसर है analyzing raw data. Tenth statement is coaxial cable is very commonly used dash media. For example, TV wire is usually a coaxial cable. And इस blank में आएगा guided media. So students, अब हम इस यूनिट के आंसर क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे जिसमें हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिस्क्राइब एडवांटेजेस and disadvantages of unshielded twisted pair. So the advantages are number 1, UTP is easy to install. Number 2, UTP is less expensive than other types of networking media. Number 3, UTP can be used with most of the major networking architectures. Disadvantages are number 1, UTP cable is more prone to electrical noise and interference than other type of networking media. Number 2, the distance between the sign boost is shorter for UTP than it is for coaxial and fiber optic cables. Number 3, slower transmitting data than other types of cables. The next question is, what is coaxial cable? Explain advantages and disadvantages of coaxial cable. And the answer is, coaxial cable is type of electrical cable that is used to send signals such as TV signals, internet data, and telephone calls. It has a central wire called the core that carries the signal surrounded by insulation and metal shield to protect the signal and an outer cover. Advantages are number 1, it can carry a large amount of data, making it good for internet and cable TV. Number 2, the shielding protects the signal from interference so it stays strong over large distances. Number 3, coaxial cables are strong and can last a long time without breaking easily. Number 4, it is simple to connect and install for home or office use. Disadvantages are number 1, coaxial cables are more costly than other types of cables like twisted pair cables. Number 2, the cable is thick and can be hard to bend or fit in tight spaces. Number 3, over very long distances, the signal may still weaken unless boosters or repeaters are used. Number 4, if the cable gets damaged, it can be harder to fix compared to simpler cables. So students, the third question is, what are the basic elements of fiber optic cable? Fiber optic cable contain transparent, flexible fibers made up of glass or plastic through which light waves can pass. A cross-section of an optical fiber cable reveals 3 parts. Number 1, core. It is the innermost portion of an optical fiber through which light propagates. Number 2, cladding. The core is surrounded by a glass cladding. Number 3, outer coating or jacket. The outer jacket is a thin coating that is opaque to light. So students, the fourth question is, what is difference between Wi-Fi and Li-Fi? Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking technology that uses radio waves to transmit data and connect devices through wireless router. It works well indoors, even through walls and dark environment. Li-Fi uses LED light to transmit data. It needs a direct line of sight and does not work through walls or in complete darkness, but it can offer faster speeds and more secure communication in some cases. Fifth question is, what is IoT, Internet of Things? The Internet of Things or IoT is a system of interconnected computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals or people that are provided with unique identifiers, UIDs, and the aptitude to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. A thing in the IoT can be a person with heart monitor implant, a farm animal with a biochip transponder, an automobile that has built-in sensors to alert the driver when tire pressure is low. Sixth question is, write down the advantages of IoT. And the answer is, Internet of Things advantages includes, number 1, connected applications. Number 2, smart home security systems. Number 3, autonomous farming equipment. Number 4, wearable health monitors. Number 5, smart factory equipment. Number 6, wireless inventory trackers. Number 7, ultra high-speed wireless internet. And number 8, biometric cybersecurity scanners. Seventh question is, describe embedded systems in your own words. And the answer is, an embedded system is a small computer that is built into a machine or device to perform a specific task. It has both hardware and software, but unlike regular computer, it is designed to do only one job. For example, washing machine, microwave oven, digital camera, and ATM all use embedded systems to control their operations. Eighth question is, write down the characteristics of shielded twisted pair. And the answer is, number 1, has metallic shielding to reduce interference. Number 2, better performance than unshielded twisted pair. Number 3, more expensive and harder to install. Number 4, supports higher data transmission rates over longer distances. Ninth question is, define edge computing. Write down use of edge computing in our life. And the answer is, edge computing is a computing model in which we focus on bringing computing devices and sources of data as closer as possible to improve response times and save bandwidth. Edge computing refers to architecture rather than a specific technology. Following are some uses of edge computing. Number 1, autonomous vehicles. Number 2, remote monitoring of assets in the oil and gas industry. Number 3, predictive maintenance. Number 4, in hospital patient monitoring. Number 5, cloud gaming. And number 6, traffic management. So dear students, the last question is, write a note on data analytics. And the answer is, data analytics is the process of collecting, organizing, and examining data to find useful information and patterns. It helps in making better decisions by understanding what the data shows. Data analytics is used in many fields like businesses, education, science, and healthcare. It involves steps such as gathering data, arranging it in charts or tables, studying it, and drawing conclusion. It is an important skill in today's world for solving problems and improving results. So dear students, यहाँ पे हमारे कंप्यूटर के बुक का यूनिट नंबर 2 भी कंप्लीट होता है. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से ऑनवर्ड्स हम यूनिट नंबर 3 को स्टार्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज.